Welcome back, Human Race. It's Micah from the block. Today we're going to do something very fun, and I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I just never did it. So today, that's what we're going to do. While we're in quarantine, we might as well do something fun. So we're doing a full face of makeup in 5 minutes. So hopefully we can do that, because how my makeup skills is going, I can't do nothing. All right, let's just get right to it and keep watching. So today I have a timer set for 5 minutes exactly. Can we do 10 minutes? We're gonna see how we're gonna do this. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it. On your mark, get sticky. Wait, let me get my utensils ready. Go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with the Matteless Poreless Foundation. Fit Me, you see it, you don't. Okay, so we're just gonna dab some right here on our hand. It just won't come out. Okay. Oh my god, I don't even have a mirror. I don't even think this foundation even matched me. Oh my god. It doesn't. It's like red. Who cares? We're just gonna. This is a shame. I look a mess. Okay. All right, next we're gonna go in with concealer. We're gonna use this heart-shaped tape, and we're just gonna put it right on. Oh my god, I look a mess. I haven't even put concealer on in months, and I'm about to use the same brush that I use for my foundation. I look a mess already. Oh. Oh. Just gonna blend that. I'm like not even. Okay, next we're gonna go into contour. We're gonna use this contour palette by Profusion. Contour and highlight right here. We're gonna use that to contour. We're not even gonna set right now because we only got a couple minutes. I only got 2 minutes left. Okay. I'm savage. Okay. Tan Sculpt. I'm gonna dip that in. Girl, what is you contouring? Because ain't nothing there at all. I don't know what I'm trying to contour, but ain't nothing there. All right. Oh.
Please call now.
Okay. We're gonna let that sit. Now we're gonna go into some mess. What is it called? Morphe. You know what this is? This little Morphe thing. Oh my gosh. And it's hot in here. This isn't working. It's hot. My makeup is sweating off already. We're gonna go in with an easy color, which is gonna be orange. We're just gonna dab that in. And just go a little natural color. How many seconds we have left? Are you serious? I have 59 seconds. Are you serious? Wait, eyebrows. Oh my god. That timer was just like ridiculous and cheating. Please don't go out, please. Like, that's really sad. And I look like Joanna, man. I do, and I don't understand why this just happened. But I'm gonna zoom up and let y'all see what's going on. This is what's going on, and it looks a hot mess. And I didn't even get a chance to put on no eyelashes, no lipstick, nothing. Well, that's the end of that challenge. I basically failed it, and it's okay because I still look good. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next challenge video. And best believe I'm gonna win that one. So